channel. My name is Harleigh and in this video I'm going to be Christmas decorating my own place. This is a very peculiar setup, not one you've seen me sit in before. I'm literally in the corner of my living room. So the reason that I am sitting here in this very peculiar framing is because I am hiding all of my Christmas decorations. I have been thinking about putting up the Christmas tree for a couple of months and I've been buying things and gradually putting them in this little corner here for the last couple of weeks. I've had my Christmas tree here for a fair few weeks and haven't even opened the box. And if you know me and know how much I love Christmas, you understand that I wanted this tree up like as soon as it arrived. I absolutely love Christmas decorate with me videos on YouTube and thought I'd be able to do one myself. I actually did one last year decorating the tree at my parents' house. I would say the timing between me like buying this place, furnishing it and now trying to Christmas decorate it was a little bit too tight to go full like American whole place Christmas decor that like my heart desires. But I have bought a load of stuff that I really want to share with you and show you guys as I decorate. I'm also hosting Christmas. So I have made my main focus all about my tree and then also about my Christmas tableware. So I've got some bits and bobs to show you from that as well in this kind of Christmas decorate with me, Christmas dinnerware decoration haul. Bear in mind also that most of these things, if not all of these things, I bought online just because of the current situation. So I will hopefully be able to have the links to absolutely everything in the description below if you guys are following my color scheme. I literally am like dying to get into these boxes, but if there's one thing that my mum has taught me over the years and made me do is that you need a clean slate to work with. So first things first, I need to tidy up this living room area because it's a little bit of a mess. I did my nails to match the decor at my living room last night for this video. So the nail kit is still on the floor. I need to hoover the sofa. I just need to tidy up. So first thing that I'm gonna do is just give this place a once over to make sure that it is in tip-top condition before I put up anything new.
Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore.
But really the first thing I should have done is take my Christmas tree out. I kind of have to be careful about this because I need to put it back in the same box. Oh, top. Right, okay. I'm showing you the inside of this box so that I can somehow remember how to get this Christmas tree back in here. I've just put them in like just a tiny bit just to hold the sticks in the right position. But obviously once the tree goes in, I'll screw these in to actually hold the tree in there. Okay. It's looking very sparse. This is so funny. Okay, let the record show that this is supposed to be a 6-foot Christmas tree and I'm 5'10". Is that 6 foot? It's not looking very 6 foot to me. I'm about to time lapse the hell out of me like fluffing up this Christmas tree. So be right back. Now I've put it up. This bit is 6 foot. Like the twiddly bit all the way up to the top makes it 6 foot. That is very deceiving. I'm gonna test the lights to make sure they work before I actually put them on the tree. But these are just from Sainsbury's. Oh, by the way, the tree is from Next. I think it was £50, but yes, a link will be in the description. It comes in this version, it comes in a frosted version, and it comes in a lit version, I think it's either fibre optics or actual bulbs, but I bought the unlit and I'm just gonna add bulbs to it. let's talk about decorations. As you can see, I've gone for a navy blue palette and mainly rose gold, although I have picked up a few gold bits that are kind of like specials, and then I have a few silver bits in there. So let's just say navy blue and metallics. Yeah, metallics. So the first thing I got from M&S was actually this 9 bauble set. As you can see, there's like some navy blue and then some silver and then some kind of like duochrome greeny shifting blue type baubles. So another thing that I really liked about this packaging is that number one, I can use it to store it in again. So I mean, just top tip, don't throw away any of your Christmas packaging. My mum has taught me that for absolutely years. All of this tissue paper, keeping it. So these I probably leave to the end just because they're like quite a few of them. So I'm probably gonna start with like filler baubles, which are actually those navy blue ones. So these are just like the least special, most generic baubles that will like get the tree filled, I hope. This is not many baubles for the tree that I have, but you know, we're trying. These I actually all got on eBay, these navy blue sets and also these rose gold ones. So I will obviously put a link to those from just a Christmas store. 2 sets of these large rose gold ones, again from the same eBay store. If anyone is from my neck of the woods or just knows about the Lakeside Christmas shop, every single year one of the units turns into a Christmas shop, and I picked up these 4 just kind of like, I think they're more like garland decorations, but I'm gonna pop them in the tree. So it's like 4 little navy blue arrangements and also from the same shop, which I'm trying to be quite delicate with because it's so glittery, but it's 2 rose gold kind of like garland type situations. There's 2 here that is kind of coiled together. So I'm either going to put these on my bookshelf, or depending on how my tree comes together, I might add these in. In terms of like a few more special decorations, my mum got me these really lovely glass baubles from John Lewis, my favorite place on earth. I would buy all their Christmas decorations if I could afford to, honestly. These are really lovely. Another find when I went to Lakeside, this is not from the Lakeside Christmas shop, I think these are from House of Fraser. If anyone knows me, you know how much I love giraffes. I have one actually tattooed on my ankle. So these are amazing, and I got 3. This is like me, my mum and my dad. That's my like family tribe symbol, is a giraffe, because we're all pretty tall. So these I love. They're not rose gold, but they are just perfect. Mum also got me these 2 ballerina figures, and they're actually little black girl ballerinas. Little curly afros in a bun, just how I always wear my hair. I have one more bauble here, which is the 2020, the year of the lockdown bauble. I got this from my friend's business. She does laser cut cake toppers for like all my cake orders, and she basically has been doing Christmas decorations as well. But I think I'm gonna start with the navy blues and maybe the big rose golds. This should not take me that long, but I have a feeling that we might have to pop out and get more decorations. I love her! Well done me! Well done me! Well done me! Still have this like garland stuff that I need to untangle, and then I think I'm actually going to put it on the bookshelf. So I've realized that I don't actually have the like little hooky things that I need to go over here to be able to hang up the like rose gold garland around here. So me being me, I think we're just gonna have to go mobile, walk into town right now, get a toffee nut latte and get those little hook things, just because I want this done today and I want to be able to put them up, and I just want like, I like to complete things. So slight vlog moment, let's go get those hooks. It's freezing. It's absolutely freezing, but I got the clips. Okay, so you might have noticed when I was sitting on the floor that I didn't actually unpack all the boxes. And that's because the rest of the stuff in the box is actually for table setting and for like Christmas dining, because I'm hosting Christmas Day. But the majority of this stuff is actually from M&S. My actual table mats are the perfect colors. They are blue, gray and pink. But I kind of figured that I would need those on the table anyway, because I'm going to have obviously stuff in the middle, things to serve. They're cork underneath, so I can just turn them over and put like hot plates on them. So I figured for actual like dining, I needed new placemats. So I went for this set from M&S, and it's 4 coasters. They're felt, and 4 drinks coasters, and they have this really cute like starry print around the outside. Also for the table, which I had to reorder because it was out of stock, my table runner and my napkins. So again, I don't necessarily think this is like a set, but I just think for M&S's like branding this year, they've gone for this kind of like starry theme within like this color scheme, which is perfect for me. I'm only hosting Christmas dinner for myself and my parents, and maybe my boyfriend will be here. So literally everything that's coming in sets of 4 has been absolutely perfect for me. I picked up these napkins. They just say Noel on them. Again, perfect navy blue color. I literally saw them out the corner of my eye in Tesco and was like, that's my color. So I just picked up a packet of these. These I might not even say for Christmas Day, but just like if I'm hosting anybody, it might be nice to, you know, have some coordinating napkins in my life, or just to treat myself when I'm, you know, eating a mince pie in the evening. Ah! Stuck. Okay. For Christmas Day service, my mum has these really lovely platters and things like that, and I think I'm gonna get her to bring one from Turkey because I don't have one that big. But I got these sets of plates and bowls, again Marks and Spencer's, that same like starry theme. So I got basically 2 kind of dip bowls, or like sides bowls, and then I got these Christmas plates, so the larger and the smaller, again M&S. These I'm kind of picturing like maybe like sausages and blankets and stuff on here, only because it doesn't have much of a lip, so I can't really stack that much on here. My plate set that I got when I moved in here is just from IKEA, so I just have all white plates, side bowls, my cutlery just saying the still silver cutlery, so I'm not replacing any of that. So I ordered these from this shop on Etsy, and they're basically just going to be like on the plates, and they're just like little names. I think they're so sweet, and I'll put their Pinterest image up. I think it's from like a wedding, but I just saw this and I was like, I have to have this. Probably for the thumbnail, I'm just gonna set up like one little like place setting and see what the vibe is. So I think I'll finish this video the same way I started it, sitting on my living room floor, but this time next to my wonderfully decorated Christmas tree. I'm gonna insert some videos of what it looks like in the evening, because obviously I have decorated it all day long. I'm not sure about doing Vlogmas because I don't have a lot of time, but if there are any more Christmas related videos, recipes, decor things, DIYs, then let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. I would like to say a massive thank you to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thanks to everyone who's been sharing my videos, particularly like my home videos, my property buying video, and just like helping me grow. Please do stick around, leave me a comment, some feedback, let me know what you guys are sticking around for. What is it that you want to see, and I will try my absolute best.